Whoa!
Oh, it's raining. Hi.
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome. Haven't been here in a little while.
Yeah, it's been a bit. But our plan, for this episode is to tell you...
Fishing!
No.
Are you sure?
You can fish, but I'm not. The plan is to tell you...
Ooh. Demonic hellfish. Never mind. Okay, we have a plan. It's to tell you something, and I keep interrupting.
To tell you that we're going to do a special live stream tomorrow. Possibly.
Possibly.
It's not guaranteed, but possibly tomorrow. Because tomorrow's Labor Day. You're not fishing.
Then how'd I get a goldfish?
Because they can walk while it's raining. I don't know how they can walk on land while it's raining.
Well, I got a goldfish. That's all I care about. I said I was going to get a fish. I got a fish. That's how it works around here, people. Should probably get a weapon.
Yeah, probably. I love my snowball cannon.
It is a very pretty snowball cannon. Yay. Water landing. Okay, now.
Oh, oops!
Flying fish is coming.
I accidentally killed a penguin.
Oh. That poor penguin. What did it ever do to you?
Well, I killed it by accident.
There are no accidents.
Yes, there are.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Is there something you're trying to tell me? Did you wet yourself?
No.
Okay. What do I smell?
Snow?
Oh, yeah. But why is the snow yellow?
There is no yellow snow in Terraria. Why am I whistling?
I don't know. Why are you still responding to me when I'm making yellow snow jokes?
I don't know.
I'm not known to be the most mature parent.
Was that accent necessary?
It wasn't really an accent, it was just annoying. So yes.
To be annoying. Okay.
My guy was just floating in air. Kind of glitched out and floated in air. Now, I know this will come to a surprise to everybody, but I'm digging in a mine.
No one's surprised. It's raining in the desert.
You know, when it rains in the desert, there's a lot of pretty flowers everywhere.
You know when it rains in the desert, it probably floods.
Well, yeah, you can have flash flooding too.
Which... Why is this water here sandy? Like...
Because you're in the desert.
So?
Ow. Hurt myself. Ooh.
When it's at the beach, there's no sand in the water. So why in the desert?
Yeah, I found one of those gold thingies. I got 5 gold from it.
Gold thingies?
Yeah, you know, when you break a pot and it also...
Oh yeah, that!
Yeah, the gold thingies.
The gold vases.
Yeah, I like those. They give me money.
That I get to steal.
Myself.
What?
What? I said keep for myself. What did you say?
I said that I get to steal from you.
Why would you do such a thing?
Because you let me.
Oh, yeah. I always forget that.
I found a meteorite!
Yay, is it attacking you yet? Sounds like yes.
What? Me going...
Yeah. You found a new friend. It's called Meteor.
Meteor head? No, I did find one. It's just... Ah! The meteor keeps burning me.
Well, that's how they show that they like you.
No. It's not how it works.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. I can't wait to get like a possessed hatchet. I can't wait to get one of those.
Okay, you know, if you get it, you do possess it, right? It will be possessed because it will be your possession.
Like Pops, you make better puns than I do.
Are you playing baseball now?
It's not what I said.
You said better. Oh, you can put the fire out.
I burned.
Ow. And that's why you shouldn't eat
Oh,
too many jalapenos, people.
I wasn't even eating jalapenos, I was burning alive. Meteor shot. Okay. Whatever.
Keep running into copper and lead. I don't need any more copper or lead. Do I? I don't think so.
In hard mode, we need lead or iron to make the mechanical boss stuff.
Yeah, that doesn't do anything for the copper. I'm into a lot of copper.
What do we need for copper?
I don't know. I have no idea what to do with copper.
Crafting.
All I'm doing is mining along. What's really cute is...
Actually, we do need copper to make like 5-second timers.
Oh, gotcha. Well, we have... How many bars of it?
Too many.
And that's what I thought. We can make timers, we can make clocks. We can make little doorbells. Why we'd want the enemy to knock, I don't know. Well, actually, that would be a nice warning. Ding dong, I'm here to kill you. I will be your zombie tonight.
For those who are watching, who question why I have so much equipment, like damage per second meter, depth meter,
Because
compass.
he steals them from me.
No. I'm trying to make a cell phone.
And he gets his parts for it by stealing from me.
No. And the most crucial things I need for it?
You have to fish for it.
Yes.
And we have learned in previous worlds that no
Hello,
matter who your angler is, they're not going to give you what you want until way late in the game.
Yes. Like, unless you have, like, the best luck in the world.
If you've seen some of our previous games, that's not us.
Well, look, I am missing components.
That's got nothing.
How many people you know that's outside of our family that has 2 missing joints? Or missing joints at all? Exactly. I proved my point. Or I didn't.
I'm going to go with didn't.
But no, what was I trying to prove?
I don't know.
I think I just knocked, an Eater of Souls, like halfway across the map.
Oh, did you apologize?
No, because he won't hear me.
Well, you could send a message, couldn't you? Like a letter or something?
It was like he said like halfway across the map.
Dear Eater of Souls, I apologize. I hope I did not embarrass you in front of the other Eaters of Souls. Next time I will let you destroy me, so I will go back to respawn. See? Can it take that long to apologize?
Yes. I have an ice mirror.
Oh, nice.
What?
I said, oh, nice. I do not, but I have a goldfish. Does that count?
I found a corrupt goldfish.
Does that mean it's a blood moon?
No. It means I'm into corruption.
Oh, okay. Did the corrupt goldfish attack you?
Yeah, it does.
Nice.
But it gives you like 4 silver.
That is also nice.
How much do goldfish sell for?
Goldfish sell for 5 gold.
Really?
No. They sell for 5 silver, I think.
Oh, so I just got less.
Well, it's corrupted. I mean, it's no good, it's rotten.
No, as in like
I know.
corrupted, as in like.
It's super evil, yes.
Why am I trying to climb trees when I can just use this convenient path through it?
Age-old question, my son. Age-old question.
I'm back at the meteor!
You probably didn't want to do that.
But why do you say that?
Get back to the meteor.
What's wrong with that?
Did you burn the last time?
This time it's different.
You say that every time.
I did not say that. Like at all. I'll just use a health potion earlier instead of later. Oh, hello, Meteorhead. Came here to die?
Apparently, I came here to get slush blocks.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. No, 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 no.
Catch on fire again.
Ah!
See?
I
bet you that
I was murdered by Meteorhead!
I bet you that poor soul eater told the meteor how rude you were. That's probably what happened.
All I can make is a meteor helmet. How about this angle? Okay, one second. How much meteor stuff do I need to make a space gun?
I don't know. Probably not very much.
20.
See, nothing at all. Is that bars of meteor stuff?
Bars.
Yeah, see, that's super easy.
There's a meteor staff. Oh, about this drill containment unit
Uh-huh.
is, I've heard, is super useful, but it needs like 40 lunite, chlorophyte, shroomite, spectri, hellstone, and meteor.
Nice.
40 of each. I hear the thing going off. It also requires a mithril anvil. You drown?
Apparently. Rats, and I dropped a lot of gold. Rats, I didn't realize that.
Well, goodbye, squirrel. And goodbye to everyone else. Goodbye.